Hello YouTube followers, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now let's move to the details of this video. In this video I am here with you along with a very stylish and eye-catching collection of some more handmade crochet hand knitted bags, and these bags are of different varieties, different kinds, and made by using different combination of different colors, wools and designing patterns. And the collection contains big bags, almost XL size, shoulder bags, side bags, handbags, hand carries, purses, grocery bags, travel bags. The purpose of this video collection is to show some designing terminologies and beautiful color combinations of wool that could be used to make and knit a handbag for everyday use, rather that is a formal or casual use of girls, women and every age lady. As you could see, there are different sort of flower terminologies, same on same or some different contrasting flower terminologies, final touch up for babies, the cartoonic character like Mickey style, floral frill style, mermaid style, Disneyland princess style. Bags are made for youngsters like bright colors pink, green, parrot, bright green, brown, grey, coffee, chocolate. Different shades have been used. I hope you would like the video. If you like the video, kindly do like the press button. And one more thing, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then kindly please do subscribe our channel so that you could remain notified with the latest uploads and updates of our channel on daily basis. And one more thing, kindly do watch our videos till end. These bags could be used for a variety of ways. That is for keeping some stationery material, some makeup stuff, and could be used as travel bags for keeping your clothes and much more, the ways you want to store stuff in it. So the details end with this, and we will soon be back in your services along with some new trendy and stylish ideas. Until then, take care. Goodbye.